from C and welcome to a car park. It's a service centre on the M25 and I'm here, behind that crowd is my Cobra and a Ferrari F40 and there are almost 100 other cars around me and we're going for a tunnel run through Hindhead Tunnel. What's just turned up? A what?
Huracan Performante.
I don't know.
No, it's just a wing with a...
It's a wing with a car attached to it. And I don't know when we're going to leave, so I'm going to show you around the cars. All these noises that are being made. This is the Cosworth as well. And yeah, show you what's around. So there's a GTR, Nismo 370Z, BMW M4. Right, there's my car next to the Ferrari F40. Look at that for a pair. 991 M3. There's a yellow Scuderia over there. McLaren 720S. There's literally too many cars to speak about. Mustang with a splitter. There's so many cars. I don't know how we're all going to keep together. I don't think we are. GT6 Ollie's, Triumph GT6, AMG GTR, oh, Lancer, Camaro, another 720S, 355 belonging to GT6 Ollie's dad, R8, a DeLorean. Let's hope he doesn't reach 88 miles an hour on the convoy. I'm actually hoping no one does because I don't like speeding, but I can imagine these cars will speed off ahead and lose me in the background. And an i8, an R8 and VTSV's R33 GTR V-Spec. Yellow M3, R8, Cayman GT4. I think it's time to go. Let's hop in. Right, so cars are starting to leave and I want to get there before all the other cars do so they can overtake me because they might go off ahead. So I'm going to leave. Everyone's revving, getting impatient. There we go. Thank you. Everyone's waiting for each other to go, but I'm just going to go. So we've still got most of them behind us. punch bowl cafe. I've managed to find a space, but others have not been as fortunate. It's gridlocked in the car park with pretty much all the cars that were on the convoy, and I don't know what's going to happen next. But it's all good. VTSC Skyline's over there. Shame I didn't hear that in the tunnel, but probably couldn't over my car. But I don't really know what's going on now. There's a Huracan Performante leaving, 720S is leaving. I've met up with Sean, he's eating, and I don't know if many people know what's going on. So we're just going to chill and see what happens. There's not actually any point trying to leave now because it's traffic both ways. Scuderia there.
Oh, that's one thing.
Ah, Ollie made it. His reliable car. Apparently he's been having problems, but he made it. Scuderia convoy. Right, so everyone's gone back to London, all the other cars, but I'm with Sean, David, Ollie, and Ollie's dad, and we're going to all go through together. So we've got the Skyline, the Cobra, and the Triumph, and Ollie's dad's Ferrari 355. So that should be great. I'm going to be joined with David because he hasn't experienced the Cobra yet, and the cold. Right, so GT6. Skyline and a 355. This should be good. Oh, we've got a Huracan in front of us. Woohoo! And a Scuderia. Have you got enough headroom, David?
Yep.
Yeah. Good.
Thank you.
So, according to Sean, my car shoots massive flames!
I might have got it. I don't know. I might have got it. I have to look through the footage. But yeah, David's side.
Yeah.
So you, just as you on the second run went past me.
Yeah.
As you kind of backed off, this flame went.
Really?
Yeah. It was about
that overrun.
Yeah, it was like that big.
All of my cars shoot flames.
Oh yes, you're gonna have to get GoPros on it.
Oh.
You're gonna have to get GoPros on that exhaust. I didn't see it on this side.
So Ollie and his dad and Sean are all going to go on their separate ways to us, me and David. So I'm just going to film them leaving, going down the road. And I'm going to conclude the video here, so I do hope you enjoyed that. My car sounded absolutely incredible, and I found out that it shoots flames. I don't know if Sean managed to capture it, but hopefully one day I can shove a GoPro on the side and see if I can capture it. It was on the overrun, so it might be difficult, might need to get it really warm. But we'll see. So again, hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram for a list of all the car shows and meets like this that I know about, so you can find out about them before they actually happen. But for now, thanks for watching. Cobra!